Received my wiring harness in the mail today, and I'm really pleased with the quality of this work. It's an outfit called Agri-Services. It's custom made for the Farmall, and the shielding is in just quality. And he did a fine job with the tips as well. And he even sent me a diagram, not a diagram, but a narrative on how to wire this thing back up. That did concern me, since I did keep a record of that, but I was going to use my continuity meter to figure that out. Disassembled the throttle assembly. Metal Rescue took off most of, not all the rust, but this thing's got to go through the blast cabinet and to get that cleaned up. And I would do that tonight, but it's getting kind of late. And this is almost embarrassing, and I'm reluctant to even show it. But you know, I bought this hit and miss tractor, and it ran perfectly when I picked it up last Saturday. And I couldn't figure out why it wouldn't run here. At least it ran, but would stop. And so I noticed that the magneto was loose. And lo and behold, the bolts and the female threads housings had been completely sheared off. And I said, what is that all about? And the brakes were brand new. And so it could only have occurred at my hands. And so I thought long and hard, and sure enough, I believe what I did is when I put straps on this engine and lifted it, hoisted it off out of my truck, the strap, I think, put pressure against the body of the magneto and broke these off. And this seems to be just a simple pot metal. It's certainly not what I'm used to working on the tractor, which is virtually indestructible. So I've got to be really careful as I continue to work on this hit and miss engine. Thankfully, I contacted Hit and Miss Enterprises, and they said they've seen this before and they can fix this. And so I'm going to try to put this in the mail, and hopefully it won't cost me an arm and a leg to get that taken care of. Well, that's all for now. Good night.